What's up, y'all? So today I'm back with this really simple holiday tutorial. This is a really easy look that I came up with. If you want to know how I got it, just stay tuned. So to prime my eyes, I'm going to start off with my LA Girl Pro concealer, and this is in the color Warm Honey. And I'm just going to put this all over my eyelids and let that marinate. So then I'm going to set the concealer so that I can go ahead and apply my shadow, and I just use like a little sponge. Sometimes I use like a Coty Airspun powder on there, and sometimes I don't. This time I actually didn't. So I'm picking up my favorite palette, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nirvana collection. You already know this is my favorite. And I'm going to pick up the color A2. This is going to be my transition color. So the next color I'm going to pick up is B1, and I'm going to use this just as a darker color to go in on top of my lid. Now to darken it up, I'm going to pick up E3, and I'm going to put this on the outer corner of my eyes, and I'm just going to work that on the inside into like a halo shape. It's very important that you actually like pack this in, and I do that by kind of like tapping it on my eye just to make it darker. Now I'm going to dip back into A3, and I'm going to use this on top, like underneath my brow bone, just to give it a little highlight. This color has some glitter in it, which is really pretty. Looking at my Morphe concealer, I think this is the color C7. I'm going to put this on my eyelid and apply it in like a circular motion into like a halo shape, and this is where I'm gonna put my glitter. Now I'm going to use my little flat brush, and I'm going to apply the glitter primer. I think that I used the NYX glitter primer, if I'm not mistaken. Pretty sure that's what that is. Anyway, I'll put the glitter on next, and I have just some gold glitter that I got from like the beauty supply store, which is actually really good glitter, and it's cheap too. Next, I'm going to apply some Lancome mascara. And this is just to get rid of like the shadow and everything and prep for the lashes. Next, I'm gonna pop on some lashes. These are some 25mm mink lashes that I got from somewhere. They're very dramatic and extra, just like me. And I love them. Look at them. So to prime my face, I'm going to use my Mario Badescu spray. I love this stuff. It helps keep my foundation on. I don't know if it works for everybody, but it works for me. So for foundation, I'm going to use Morphe foundation. This is the color F3. I love Morphe. They can do no wrong in my eyes. And this is my favorite foundation now. Now using my beauty blender, I'm going to just pat this all into my skin. Just look at how, I just love this foundation. Anyway, pat this all over, and I use a wet beauty blender to do this. You can do it wet or dry, but wet works better for me. So now for highlight, I'm going to take my Morphe concealer and I'm going to just apply this all under my eyes and my nose and my forehead and on the sides of my mouth. And I'm sorry if this is taking a while, but for some reason, when I do my highlight with this concealer, the Morphe concealer is pretty thick. So it always takes me a while to really blend it in and make sure it looks good, because you don't want to look cakey and pale and just gross. So you gotta make sure you blend it right, girl. So now I'm going to add this color B1 onto my waterline, and that should give another like pop of color and make it look nice and pretty and put together. I have this little Lancome blush highlighter and bronzer palette, and I actually didn't use the highlighter first, even though I pointed to it. I used the bronzer first just to make my face look a little more chiseled, and then after that I went in with the highlighter. So now for lips, I'm going to use this Lancome lipstick. It's a nude color and it has like pinkish undertones. I don't know the color of it. I just know it's Lancome. Next, I'm going to pick up this Milani Hypnotic Lights lip topper. This is like my favorite ever. I have like 7 of these. So to set my face, I'm using my NYX setting spray. This is the matte finish, and I'm going to spray that, and yeah. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all next time.